Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to add proxy into the software. Is MKT Instagram. Okay, if you already have accounts in the software, or if you don't know, you can watch the previous videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, for example, I have list proxy here. Okay, you can see in the proxy management. Okay, if you want to raise the account like real user, static proxy is better for you. Okay, and you can see the button add proxy here, and you paste the list proxy to the software. You can choose the proxy protocol is HTTP and to the format. Okay, the correct format is hard post username and password. Okay, so you tick on the proxy, and you can see the assign button here. Okay, and then you choose the account you want to use proxy. Okay, you can choose the type proxy you want to add for accounts. One proxy for an account or one proxy for multiple accounts, or the software can automatically divide the proxy for accounts, and you can accept the proxy. Okay, done. After you add the proxy, then you log in the account. The software will have you log in the account with the proxy that you already paste here. Okay, and if you want me to make videos about any feature, you can comment below.